Snapchat me that ball. Chanel going eat. Alright, I gotta witness this.
Oh, fuck. Okay, hold on. Wait. Why is he still fucking moving? What?
Put your feet straight.
I am.
Don't think about it.
Alright, I'm not gonna. Why am I going backward and not forward? Why am I going backward?
Grab my strong hand. Chanel. That's kind of cool. Va a comer mierda, Chanel. Okay, now go forward. Chanel, you're worse.
No, really, hold on.
You got
Why
this,
is
girl.
Still turning.
You got this.
I'm trying.
You're putting more pressure on the other one.
Okay, wait.
Like, you have to put your foot forward.
It is fucking forward.
No, you're still putting pressure on the other one.
Okay, so.
Chanel, look at me. Wait, hold on. Move your feet like that. Your foot.
It's just like you're going like that. I go front and back.
Oh, you gonna eat it. You're retarded at.
Watch out for the pole. Don't hit the pole. Oh, Chanel!
Sorry! I will die! You know exactly.